Hello, internet people. Ghost here once again. Last Saturday I went to what's it called? Liverpool Live. Got back. It was freaking raining all day, all weekend really. That's an annoying journey back, though. What a good annoying journey back indeed. Today is back to the grind. Anyway, seems like one of the pathetic fucking retarded losers has been going around across all 3 channels of mine and disliking them. Like, this twat clearly doesn't know that disliking my videos won't stop me from making videos. If anything, them clicking on me videos gives me what's it called? A view. Every single time they click on a video, that's one view. It's hilarious that they think disliking videos actually harms the the channel. Excuse me. It just makes me laugh that they think they are making a difference when they are clearly not. I've been doing this YouTube stuff since 2010, for fuck's sake. This one loser, it's not going to make a difference. Not at all. Anyway, as you can see, I did trim the old beard. No matter what I did with washing and whatnot, it just wouldn't stay down. Quite annoying. Anyway, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, whatever.